Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your identity and access. Sign in to My Account. Google, and go to Personal Info. This ensures you edit the correct account. Make sure two-step verification is enabled so Google can verify the new number. Once signed in, locate phone under Contact Info and tap the edit icon. This begins the secure update flow. You do this now because changing a recovery or contact number requires recent authentication and a verified session for safety. You now replace the old number with the new one. Tap the pencil icon next to phone, type the new number with country code, and choose SMS or call for verification. This is how Google proves you control that device. Once done, Google sends a numeric code. Enter it promptly and submit. If you have multiple numbers, mark the primary contact. This makes password recovery and security alerts go to the right device, reducing lockout risk. Finish by confirming the updated number and reviewing recovery settings so everything is consistent. This prevents unexpected lockouts. Once confirmed, test recovery by requesting a sign-in verification or reset link to ensure messages arrive. If you don't receive a code, make sure your carrier isn't blocking short codes, check signal and correct country code, and try call verification or an authenticator app instead. If issues persist, wait a few minutes and retry to avoid rate limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.